Yo.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Penguin King, and today, yeah, you can see I got this swag, and I forgot to do my hair, so I don't even care. But today we're going to be looking at this video, and this kid, oh my god, my swag is off. I don't even care. And this kid tortures his dad and crap, and then this dad just comes out of nowhere and freaking ties him up.
Yeah, so catch me outside now. Catch me outside now.
What the freak? And burns his Xbox like he murdered it. I don't know. He murdered it.
Yeah, he sure he murdered that Xbox.
So I want you guys to go check it out. And yeah.
What are you doing to him?
Nothing.
Why is he?
He's going to pay the price for all the crap he's done to
What do
me.
you mean pay the price?
You know what I'm talking about.
What do you mean
No,
pay the price?
stay back.
What do you mean
No,
pay the price?
No.
I mean, what do you mean pay the price?
You'll see.
I don't want to see anything.
You will see.
What do you mean?
You'll see.
Untie him.
No.
What did he do wrong to
He's
you?
going to pay the price for all he's done to us.
What did he do to you?
No.
Why don't you tie him?
Andy,
Why
do
don't
your thing. Go in the house and get what you
What are you
gotta get.
doing?
You'll see.
Andy, why is he smiling? Stop it, Bill.
No, I'm not.
Let me just talk to him
No,
for a minute.
no.
I don't have anything
All right,
in my...
talk to him.
William, what's going on?
Let me out. Just freaking take me out. No.
Why?
No.
Wait a minute.
No.
Oh my gosh, what does Andy have? Andy has the Xbox. Move, Bill.
No. All right.
Go get the lighter, Field dude.
Hold it.
What are you doing, Andy? Andy, get away.
Nope.
I can't even see what's going on. What are you doing?
I'm not letting you by so you can untape him. I don't think so.
I don't have anything in my
we
hands to
got a
untape him
surprise
with.
for him.
I don't have anything in my
We
hands to
definitely got a
untape him with.
surprise for him.
I don't have anything in my hands to... No! He just got that! Andy, get away from me.
Back. Stay back.
Get away! Andy, move. Get out of my way. Okay, I'm going to smack you.
Stay back.
No!
No.
You get
He's going to pay the price.
You guys are cruel.
What are you doing? Oh my God.
Oh my gosh! No! That's his Andy William! No! Bill!
What are you doing?
This is excessive! That is excessive!
For all the crap he's done to me, I'm sick of this.
You are mean! Andy! Stop it! Bill, stop! Just stop! Put the fire out now!
All right.
Put it out!
I'll stop now.
You're being a jerk!
Oh, well.
You want a divorce? I swear!
I do.
You jerk! Andy, I'm ashamed of you! You should know better, Andy! That is so mean! Stop it! William! Stop it! Get the hose and put it out now! And untie him! Get the hose! Andy!
I want him to enjoy this, to let him watch it.
He's not enjoying it!
I don't care.
This
He's
is misery!
good.
This is ridiculous!
Good.
Get the hose!
Good.
Get the hose now!
For the TV
He's
got
getting
on
up.
mine that
Oh.
he axed.
Woo! Get the hose! Get the hose! Bill, I said get the hose now!
Not getting him.
Bill, get the hose!
No.
Bill, get the hose!
Not.
Get the hose!
What are you doing?
He got us. Get the hose, Andy. That is the most absolutely. Man, this family is so screwed up. William, get up! Get up! Get up! Give me that hose! William, don't go near that! Don't go near that, William! Put it out now, Bill. Put it out. Exactly what I asked you to do. Put that out. Yes, now. Put it out. No! What? You are so mean. Put it out. Andy, you're crazy. Don't even ask me for any rides to work or anything this week. You guys are jerks.
Payback's a pain, ain't it?
Yeah. It's great, isn't it?
No, this is not.
Great.
Bill, you're a things.
I paid for half of this!
You know what, Bill? That BB was nothing on your butt. It was big and fat. He wasn't really gonna hurt you. And you know it. You're just being dramatic. Andy, and he would have paid you back for the tablet and
I
stuff.
don't need a TV now. We're even.
You're hard. Get out of my face, you guys. I don't even want to be near you guys. You guys are sick. Oh, honey, I'm sorry. Oh, William. Oh. You guys are disgusting.
Next time you won't nail a tablet to the desk, huh? That's what I'm saying.
Bill, you're disgusting.
Hey,
You,
it was the same stuff.
and you're a bad
It was
influence.
time to get back.
You're a bad influence
I
on
don't care.
Andy,
I
too.
don't care.
You should be more like a father to Andy, not teach him to be evil.
You don't know how to teach the kid.
Honey, I'm sorry.
You won't get away with that! I believe I already have. It's about as hard to get away with this as it is to get away with murder. Yeah. Freaking jerks!
Freaking jerks.
That's what he gets.
Don't follow me, Andy.
That's what he gets.
Andy, you should not listen to Bill and look up to him. He is not a good role model for you.
For burning everything.
Bill, Andy, you don't. Oh, honey, are you?
Hey, how does it feel? Huh?
Stop!
How does it feel? No.
Stop!
Huh?
Andy,
How does it feel?
stop it!
Hey, you don't have to worry about my TV anymore. We're even now. We're all squared up. We're even now. How does it feel to be on the other end? He's got to learn somehow. Huh?
Leave him alone!
Feel to be on the other end.
Leave him alone! Get out!
How does it feel?
Get out, Andy!
How does it feel?
Andy, get out! You need to stop looking.
I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day